Where's the other side? Oh, this is my favorite.
Close the curtain a little bit.
They might want to hear me sing. I used to sing in church. I started getting loud. They looked at me. She's going to say I want to sing the choir.
Let him use your name.
Oh, here it is. What God has for me, it is for me.
All right now.
I know without a doubt, hear that, that He will bring me out. What God has for me, it is for me. It is for me. It is. So bring it home.
Bring it on. Bring it on.
For me.
Now put that on Facebook. That's my friend Janice.
Yeah.
One thing about it.
Now tell the truth. Now come on. Let's be honest.
She can sing.
What you
She
say?
can sing.
She can.
She can sing.
She is serious about her singing.
She is.
She mean it. She mean it.
She is.
Tell me your name. What's your name?
What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Janice Brown. My mama can sing, and I got it. Yeah, my sister can't sing. We all don't have that gift, but I thank God I prayed for this, and He gave it to me. And check this out. You see, when I was young, I gave God my hands.
That's it.
And I told Him to lead the way. But Lord, I've been talked about. Oh Lord, I've been criticized. I had to wipe many tears from my eyes.
I understand that. I understand that.
But I'm still.
You still.
Holding on.
Hold on.
I'm still.
You are still.
Holding on.
Holding on.
To His hand. Through my trials and tribulation, I'm back me up, don't go too loud. Still holding on.
Back her up now. Back her up.
I can't just
Tim, you sing something, Tim.
please
Say
sing.
something. Say something, Tim.